YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kadeem. If y'all don't know, if you like trucking content, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment down below. I'm bringing y'all with me along my couple of my stops, and tonight we got a couple of stops before it's the day off, before my day off tomorrow. I got an ebook down in the description on how to build a YouTube channel. I just dropped. Go grab my ebook. It cover a lot of information in there. Go grab that. But we at our stop. It's finna be a good, smooth night, man. We're finna just knock out these stops back to back, and y'all gonna come along with me in this video. It's time to start this stop. I'm finna go back here, swap they donuts out, and then we're gonna go off to the next stop. There we go, another day, another work day. Yes, sir. Time to get them there donuts. I got a real easy night. Real easy night. That's all we got. I already did my distro for the night. If y'all don't know, my ebook is out on how to build a YouTube channel. The link is in the description below. Y'all can go check that out. All right, gotta look for their totes. 69.50. All right. Y'all see the truck, the semi truck over there? Bro, I remember them days, bro, sleeping in the truck. That's crazy. It's a semi over there sleep. I remember them days. Thankful though for them days. These donuts could tip over so easy, bro. There we go. Man, them donuts could tip over so easy. Just got to put their totes in here. And there we go. Another semi. Oh, shoot. We are done. A lot of semis come over there to sleep. A lot of semis come in that parking lot and sleep, the Walmart parking lot, and I be loving to see that, bro. Cause get your sleep as a semi truck driver. You gotta pull over, get your sleep. He local cause he don't got a bed right there, but y'all can see the rest of them got beds, got their trucks on, and it's a Walmart in the parking lot, so you can go in the store, get what you need for your truck, and get back in the truck. You feel me? Go to sleep, wake up, start it over. Then you got my truck right here, local, and it's time to go to the next stop. But yeah, it's pretty cold out here. It's like 31 degrees, bruh. Gas $2.96, cheap, bruh. Get y'all. All right, we out of here, and another semi is pulling out at the same time. Is me. Okay, he's gone. Respect to all local truck drivers, bruh. Oh, let me turn my hazards off. Respect to all local truck drivers. Turn the blinker on. And we out of there. Time to go to the next stop. And it's a smooth night. I got a day off tomorrow, so it's really good, really going good. Gas is cheap, so it's really going good. I'm gonna keep naming all the reasons why it's good. Everything is going good. My daughter at home, man, I love going home to my daughter. My second daughter, she's getting big. I love seeing her. I get to see her tomorrow, so I'm just naming a lot of reasons why I feel blessed, man. It ain't all about money. It ain't all about material things. It's about the stuff that really matters in life, and that's why I feel good. Go check out my last video, and I made a couple recent videos. My last video was giving out tips to the new truck drivers, so go check that video out, y'all. It's some amazing tips in there that can save truck drivers mistakes and time and money. So go check that video out, man. I'm gonna be making another video, if that makes sense, man. I'm knocking my night out. They trained me on another route the last couple days, so I will be switching some of my routes up pretty soon. They've been training me on new routes, which is amazing because I don't gotta keep doing the same route. We also got box trucks, so I'm gonna be driving some box trucks in some of the videos soon, which is easier, less stressful, driving the box trucks. Right now, what I've been doing is just listening to my podcasts. I love listening to podcasts. Eric Thomas, Secret to Success podcast. I listen to that throughout the night. It keeps me going, give me some motivation. Keeps me going, give me some motivation, man. I just want to tell y'all, man, don't follow what everybody's doing. Cool to follow trends, and you also got to be your own person. Come up with your own creativity. That's why you can't watch too much that goes on social media, because it's easy to get influenced. It's easy to be tricked on social media. People believe anything that they see, especially if you really flashing material things or money in their face. People will believe it. So that's what I can't tell y'all. Don't believe everything on social media. Have your own mind, your own opinion. Be your own person, bro. A lot of people don't know who they are. They followers, they follow behind anybody who got material things or money. Have your own mind. I think that's an amazing thing, to have your own mind. I gotta get over real quick, because I could already tell he going a little kind of slow. Always been my own person. I don't follow what people doing. Never been scared to do my own thing. Be yourself, bro. Don't try to be other people. I really be seeing dudes out here acting like other dudes, bro. Like, you could easily see it, bro. And I don't know, that to me, that's just weird to want to be like another dude. When God made you your own person. You gotta watch out for deers also out here, bro. It be deers just running across the road, bro. Like, it's crazy. Be deers running across the road. Okay, yeah, okay. He telling me to get over. When they flash they lights, they telling you to get over. That's my advice to y'all. Be your own person, bro. People are followers. A lot of people don't have their own identity. They somebody else. A lot of people want to be this, they want to be that. Man, be who God made you to be. He ain't make you to be no gangster. He ain't make you to copy other people. They want to do this, so you want to do that. Like, be your own person, bro. Do what you like to do. Do what you love to do. We are all finished, and I checked, they do have the caramel Reese's cups in this store also. I think I'm gonna buy a second for sure. They probably are in y'all stores, go check, but I know they are new. Alright. That's it. Time to go. Let me know what's y'all favorite energy drinks. I like Nas. I really only try the Monsters, the regular ones. It's Comet Peach, super dry. What is that? Super dry. Monster Energy. Cosmic Peach. I wonder if this is good. Also, I'm gonna try the peach one. Cosmic Peach. I like Nas. Let me know, do y'all like these ghost drinks? They got 0 energy. Do y'all try these? Do y'all like those? And there it goes. The caramel. Big cup. The box, and I bought another one. Trying to get some gas. Had to buy another one. But yeah, time to get some gas. The night is going pretty smooth. Truck need to be clean, bro. I gotta clean the back of my window. Y'all see the back of the window? Dirty.
These are the top goals from. These are the top goals from October.
This shit dirty, bruh. Damn. You gotta clean that back window off. Shit dirty. Alright. That's just like that. I let that run, and then I also check. You have to put diesel inside the freezer, so you gotta check this little meter, and it's almost full. You still put diesel. You always gotta check that also. Okay, one side is done. Now we're gonna do the other side. The little TVs on there, that shit is scare you at nighttime. It have you thinking somebody talking, especially out of nowhere. Every time I look at this damn trailer, bro, I just think like, I just can't believe how big this motherfucker is, and I'm driving. Clean the other side too. Gotta clean that. All right. That shit dirty, bro. All right. I mean, I gotta put some depth inside the truck, which goes in here.
These are the top goals.
Always get a receipt.
These are the top goals from La Liga.
That is the thermostat up there. Back on. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know if you truck down low in the comments. Let me know if you're a trucker, if you're on the road, if you do local.